Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a Rotary tool accessory kit. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So see right here they mentioned how there's 357 pieces inside for you guys to use it for different situations. So if you guys turn into the back part here, they do show you guys all the different tools that are provided for you guys inside and what you guys can use it for. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, you can see how the inside is all wrapped up. Let's take it out first. So first thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here, you can see we do have the actual case. So in the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. Top part right here, we do have a very nice handle. And right here, we do have the clip option. You have to open up and lock it. And right here is basically what the back part looks like. So you see right here, the part is all sealed up, so that way you know it's brand new and never been used. So let's cut this part out to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys cut it, if you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So they basically provide guys all the different tools inside for you guys to use it for different situations. Whether if you guys want to use it for cutting, sanding, grinding, sharpening, carving, drilling, or engraving, you do have all that option available. So right here is basically all these options on this side. If you guys flip around to the other side, here is basically what the other side looks like. So right here, you see they do have a little cover for you guys to protect everything inside. Because if you guys do tilt this part here, it will fall out. But see for this kit, they basically provide you guys everything you guys need for all the things I mentioned earlier. And obviously when you guys do purchase this kit, you need to actually have the accessory or the tool. So if you guys don't have it ready, then you guys need to purchase separately on the side. But right here is basically what the inside looks like when you guys first get in. If you guys do close it back up, once you guys do close it up, you guys can store it somewhere when you guys need to use it again. So that is basically everything that's included in this set. So like I mentioned, if you guys don't know what each different tool is for, they do provide guys information right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to the unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this kit, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a tool set like the one that we have right here. We'll give you guys all different tools and heads for you guys to use for all the situations I mentioned earlier. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.